I'm Anna and I live here in Waldringfield in Suffolk. It was an evening in November 2016 and it was a really cold, wet, dark night, and I was stationary at a roundabout. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, there was just a huge bang, and I didn't actually know what had happened. It was such a shock, but basically a car had gone into the back of me. My husband ended up cooking me a meal that evening, and I noticed that my shoulder was sore. And then the following day and from there on, the pain got worse and worse. And I also started to notice really odd things, that I was forgetting things, that I would forget where I'd put my keys, that I would forget what I had to do next, that I would be thinking, and everything had kind of slowed down. So I was sort of having to think through every step of what I was doing. I couldn't think clearly, and at home, I couldn't drive, I couldn't cook a meal, I couldn't, just all the day-to-day things I couldn't do. It's hard for people to see from the outside what's going on inside. CFG Law were absolutely amazing. I am so grateful to them because they helped get my life back on track. If it hadn't been for them, I honestly don't know what would have happened to me. I honestly don't know what the outcome would have been. I had a solicitor called Michelle, and she just took care of absolutely everything. It was so reassuring at the end of months, really, to find somebody who I felt understood what I was going through and who could help me. I just felt like I was being looked after, I felt like I was being protected, and I felt that somebody was on my side.
When I first met Anna, it became apparent very quickly that she really needed some specialist support. I think Anna really needed someone to really listen to how she was, the difficulties that she was having, and really understand how Anna was before and what's changed. I remember going through lows with her. I remember conversations that we would have where she was really struggling. That's what we're there for. We celebrate the highs and we support through the lows, and we ensure that that support's there for her and the family. The work that she's doing now, helping and supporting people that have gone through something similar to her, it's amazing. I'm so incredibly proud. She's done exceptionally well and such an inspiration.
I kept thinking, I have to get through this, I have to improve, I've got to get my head straight again, because my kids need me and my husband need me. To be able to today just go out and enjoy myself with them and see them flourishing, be part of their education and see them becoming the people they're meant to be, and just to spend time doing fun things together, like going for walks, simple things that you just take for granted. I'm so thankful for those things today.